Hello guys. In this video, I will try to explain to you how to apply the Opentype feature in the Centurion font in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, happy watching. Let's type the word. Change the font size. And change the font type to the Centurion font. Next we click on the menu type. And choose the glyph submenu. Access all the glyphs contained in the font. There is a standard ligature, stylistic alternative, and others, to make it easier for you. We group several glyphs according to their function. This font has a variety of Opentype features that are easy to access. You can change the character according to your needs. Character you want to replace, and click the appropriate character in the glyph panel. Do not forget, we also complement this font with a vector ornament, which will make your work even more great. This is a very unique character of the Centurion font number. The Centurion is a Gothic black letter. It feels classic and artistic. Add this beautiful font to each of your creative ideas. And notice how it makes them stand out. Thank you. See you next time.